So in these lections, I'm gonna teach you about the stand and leaf diagram, and I would like to tell you the purpose of the stand and leaf diagram, and also how to construct the stand and leaf diagram. So first of all, for the stand and leaf diagram, it is a diagram to show the distributions of all data while retaining the values of the whole set of data. So for the stand and leaf diagram, you can see the distributions of that data, and also for the others diagram, for example, the pie chart and also the bar chart. For pie chart and bar chart, you may not see the original data from the diagram. Okay, for the pie chart, it may convert it to the percentage, or may convert it to the degree. Okay, maybe 100 degree, or maybe I can say 100%. Okay, so you may not see the original data. Okay, however, for the stand and leaf diagram, you can see the original data in this diagram. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, so and for this one, the name is stand and leaf. So according to the name, for one data, we can divide it into the stem part and also the leaf part. Okay, the stem, that means in Chinese is gone. Okay, and the leaf, that means the yip. And what is the meaning for the stems in this stand and leaf diagram? That means that it is the 10th digit. 10 digits okay. And also for the leaf, okay, for the leaf, it is the unit digit. Okay, just like that. Okay, so this one is the 10 digits and also the unit digits. Okay, for this one, 26. Okay, 26. The stem part is the 2. Okay, it's the number 2. For the leaf part is the number 6. Okay, so now you can see here are some data. Okay, 23, 26, 30, 31. You may not see any meanings behind this data. However, if we can convert it into the stand and leaf diagram, we can see this one. Okay, this is the stand and leaf diagram for this data. Okay, and first of all, you can see here the title, the numbers of employees of 12 restaurants. Okay, and then later on you need to draw the cross. Okay, the cross, and this part is the stem. This part is the stem. That means the 10 digits. Okay, so first of all, you can see for the left hand side, for this data, you need to observe the smallest stems for this data, and you can see 23, okay, and then 30, and then maybe 41, and also 52. So we start from the 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, we start from 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So the smallest one is the 2, and then the largest one is 5. All right, and also we need to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, we need to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, and then for the right hand side is the leaf part. That means the unit digits, and also the priority is very important for the stand and leaf diagram. So you can see 3, and then the next data is 6. For this one, 0, and the next data is 1, 2, 2, 8. Okay, so we also arrange it in the ascending order. Okay, for the original part. Okay, so and also we need to know that, okay, for the left hand side, the data at the left hand side. So for example, 6, the 3 is at the left hand side of this 6. So the data at the left hand side should be smaller or equal to the number. how about the equal part? Maybe you can see 2, this 2 at the left hand side. Here have one more 2 at the 2 here. Okay, so we can say that for the left hand side of data, it should be smaller or equal to the data. All right. So, and also for the standard leaf diagram, as I mentioned before, the purpose for the standard leaf diagram, we can see the distribution. We can see the distribution of the data. 即係我哋可以見到個分佈嘅。Okay, for example, now I draw this one. So you can see if you use your iPad or use your smartphone, you can change the directions of your smartphones. Okay, you can see. Okay, for the stem with 3, there are more data here. Okay, there are more data here. So we can say that okay, maybe the 30 the restaurant have more restaurant have 30. Okay, 30 somethings employee. Okay. And also we can say that okay, for the largest number is 53. Okay, the largest number is 53. Okay, and also the smallest one is 23. Okay, and here are some conclusions from this standard leaf diagram. The largest numbers of employees among these 12 restaurants is 53, as I mentioned before, and there are 2 restaurants which have 41 employee. Okay, which have 41 employee. All right, because you can see okay, this one 41. Okay, and also 32 here. All right, so this one is I showed you the standard leaf diagram, and for this part it tell you some steps for to how to construct a standard leaf diagram, and it is quite complicated. Now I would like to teach you how to construct the standard leaf diagram, and I would like to use this list data as an example. So here you can see the data show the distribution of age of 16 tourists. Okay, that means 呢度咧係有16個呢一個旅客啦，咁佢哋咧個年齡嘅分佈嘅。Okay, so I can say that my methods, when compared with the methods in the textbook, we have we have some difference. Okay, so I hope that you can learn from my methods. Okay, because my methods can have is a little bit faster, and also is a more efficient way for you to construct the standard leaf diagram. Okay, so now I show you. And first of all, for different diagram, the first thing we all need to do is to give the titles of that diagram. So now I write down this one. That is the distribution of age of 16 tourists. All right, and then I want you to draw the cross. Okay, here and also here, and then please write down the for this one is the stem. That means the 10 digits. All right, and then for the next one, the right hand side is the leaf, and you write down units digits. All right, and for the next steps, for the left hand side of the stems, I want you to look at this data. Okay, here for the stem part maybe is 27, 56, 40, and 30, and 33, 30, 52. Okay, so we can say that these numbers for the stem part is start from 20. Okay, so it start from 2, and then is 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we write down for the left hand side, and also we need to arrange it in the ascending order. So 2, and the next one is 3, and then 4 and 5. All right. Okay, so for the right hand side, in the textbook, the textbook asks you to arrange this data in the ascending order first. However, for me, I would like to use to distribute each data and put it in the for each row first. Okay, for example, for this one, 27. When I look at this 27, because the leaf part is 7, so I write down 7 first. For me, I would like to use the red pens because for the right hand side, I may need to cross out letters if I want to arrange the order. So for you can use the pencil. Okay, you can use the pencil to write the right hand side of the leaf part first. Okay, so for 56, so I put it at the stem with 5 first. So and this one I write down 6, and this one write down 0, 2, 3, and 2, and this one is 26, so this one, and 38, this is 8, and 46 I write down 6 here, and 40 I write down 0, 32 I write down 2 here, 41 I write down 1 here, 37 I write down 7 here, 51 here, 36 I write down this one, and 31 write down here. Okay, so I put all the numbers at this leaf part. However, for the priorities for the standard leaf diagram is very important, so I need to arrange the data from the at the ascending order for the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, so I want you to look at this one. Okay, 27 and 26. Okay, because 27 and 26, this one 6 is smaller than 7, so I just only cross out 7 and also 6, and then I put this 6 first. Okay, and then I write down 7. Okay, very simple. Okay, very easy. And then for this one, 2, 3, 8, 2, 7, 6, 1. If you really if you don't want to forget this number, you can use your pencil to copy this number first. Okay, 2, 3, 8, 2, 7, 6, 1, and then you can cross out this data and write down 1 first, and then 2, and then 2, and then 3, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, alright. So for the next one is 0, 6, 0, 1. Okay, so I write down it is 0, 0, 1, and 6. Okay, very easy. Okay, for the final part, it is 6, 2, and 1. So I write down 1, 2, and 6. Okay, 1, 2, and 6. So in these terms, I arrange all the numbers for the for this standard leaf diagram. So is it difficult? I don't think so. Okay, so try to first of all try to find out the stem part for this data. Okay, so it starts from 2 and then 3, 4, 5. So we'll write it at the left hand side, and then for the right hand side. Okay, for the right hand side, because for the right hand side we put all the data. Okay, we try to put all the data at the right hand side, and then for the final step we try to arrange the data. Okay, we try to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so that's all for constructing the standard leaf diagram.